believe there was a scientist for whom people were not people. They were just data. Today we will talk about a lab where screams could be heard, but no one listened. A place with death was the result of the experiment. This story is not a movie. This is history. Its name, Unit 731. I am Scientist Ronald. Today, I am with you in a new video. Let's start. Unit 731 was a top-secret research unit of the Imperial Japanese Army. Its location was Harbin, Manchuria, which is located in China. It was written outside, Water Purification and Disease Prevention Center. But inside, live experiments on humans were going on. There were no records, no names, just numbers. Unit 731's main enemy was China, Soviet Union. They wanted to use biological weapons on these countries in future wars. The cities of China were their testing grounds. The architect of this hell was Shiro Ishii. He was a doctor, a scientist. But the question is, how can a doctor be so cruel? Ishii believed human life is insignificant. Everything is legal to win a war. Morality stops science. He used to say, when a person breaks, the truth comes out. This was his crazy philosophy. The prisoners were called Maruta, meaning wooden logs. The question is, if you call a person wood, then do you care about his pain? Here begins the first stage of inhumanity, dehumanization. For the convenience of work, Unit 731 was divided into 8 divisions. Division 1, Human Experiments. This division conducted experiments directly on humans. Disease transmission, body reactions, how long it takes to die, everything was noted live. Division 2, Biological Weapons. This division created plague, cholera, anthrax. Goal to destroy cities, not people, because diseases survive, not people. Division 3, Weapons Experiments. Grenade, bomb, gas, everything was tested on living people. She wanted real reaction. Division 4, Cold Experiments. How long the body survives in extreme cold. The reaction was observed by freezing hands and feet in ice. Science. No. Cruelty. Division 5, Dehydration. How long can a person survive without water? The answer to this question was found out by people. No theory. Live proof. Division 6, Chemical Gas. Poisonous gas, nerve agent. How long it took to breathe was noted. If someone screamed, that was also data. Division 7, Spread of Infection. How quickly the disease spread from one person to an entire area. People were the medium of the experiment. Division 8, Data and Reports. Finally, reports were written, but there were no names because they were not people. They were files. 1945, Japan lost. So the question, how did the world know about such a big crime? Answer, Chinese eyewitness, surviving prisoner, Soviet trial, secret documents. What is usually supposed to happen? Trial, punishment, justice. But this is where the story takes a turn. Many scientists from Unit 731 did not receive any punishment. Why? Because they handed over their research data to the United States. In exchange, immunity, new life. The question is here. If information is valuable, then is justice sold? Unit 731 teaches us science is not neutral. The ethics of scientists are the most important. Not everything is legal in the name of improvement, because when science loses humanity, it becomes a weapon. Even today, many documents are secret. Many questions remain unanswered. But let me leave you with one question. If Unit 731 is wrong, then how sure are we in today's world that something like this is not happening again? Think about it. Because history is not just for reading, for being careful. Unit 731 is over, but its truths are still suppressed. If this video made you think, then like, so that this history is not lost. Share, because darkness only becomes stronger when we remain silent. And if you're new, subscribe to Hidden Lab, because some truths hide not in the light, but in the darkness.